It was an eventful Easter weekend, and kicking things off was Grammy-winning reggae artist Koffee, who made her debut performance on the long-awaited Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival. The event was held in California on Saturday at the Empire Polo Grounds indoor venue, which attracts between 99,000 and 125,000 people per day. Koffee was backed by her incredible band and began her set with the hit single Rapture. There was Lockdown and Toast before performing tracks from her album Gifted. Koffee will perform once again at the festival on Saturday, April 23, as part of Weekend 2, which will run between April 22 and 24. The Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival previously featured Jamaican reggae performers Skip Marley, Chronix and Protege, as well as Lee Scratch Perry and Damien Jr. Gong Marley. After 2 years of COVID-19 restrictions imposed on the entertainment sector, over the weekend saw the return of a series of events held for the Easter weekend. Now, Saturday through to Monday saw the return of many entertainment events, including Festival of Floats, Sands, Retro Party Series Yush, and Cooler Party Series I Love Soca, which saw a massive crowd out at the new festival stadium in downtown Kingston. According to Managing Director of I Love Soca J.A. Andrew Bellamy, the decision to move to Kingston Waterfront was a logistics decision.
The decision to move to Kingston Waterfront was a logistical decision. The venue can accommodate more people, better traffic flow. We have 3 lanes running in one direction outside of the party, much more parking solutions for our patrons, and it's easier to create a safe environment for people to enjoy themselves.
Bellamy also dubbed the event the largest staging. Back in February, the government announced the reopening of the entertainment sector. The news was met with a lot of great reviews. The Queen of Hip-Hop Soul, Mary J. Blige, is set to be honored with the Icon Award at the 2022 Billboard Music Awards. The award recognizes outstanding artists who have achieved excellence on the Billboard charts and have made an indelible mark in the industry. Blige is the 11th artist to receive the Icon Award. Previous recipients include Stevie Wonder, Prince, Jennifer Lopez, Celine Dion, Cher, Janet Jackson, and Mariah Carey. The BBMAs is scheduled for May 15 at the Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.